Now I'm going to show you how to set up an account with ByCoi.io. Put your first name, last name, your email, you choose a password. You can show the password before you create your account, so you make sure that you know it. You also have to certify that you are over 18 years old, agree to the terms of service, privacy cookie policy, and KYC and AML policy. Then you click create account. So now you have to check your email to verify your email account. If your email didn't arrive, you can click down here, email did not arrive, and an additional email will be sent. And you cannot pass this step until you have verified your email. And as you can see, you have received an email. And you need to click verify your email. Now you verified your email, you may log in. If you have forgot your password, you can click down here. You can choose to have you signed in on your computer by clicking there. Otherwise, click sign in. Next step is to verify your mobile phone. You choose your country. And put your mobile number in. And you click send code. Now you will receive an SMS with a 4-digit PIN number that you could add in this screen. If you did not receive the SMS, you can resend it here. If you put or added the wrong mobile number, you can click here and add a new phone number. Now you come to the payment screen, and here you add your credit card information. Your CVC code, your expiry date, month and year, the name printed on your credit card. Then you agree to the terms stated above, and then you click pay. Payment has been accepted. You can start your ID verification. The first thing you have to choose is the issuing country of your ID. And when you select the country of your ID, you're going to get the option to select the ID type, if it's a passport, identity card, or driving license. We're going to choose passport. You can take a photo of your passport with your camera, or you can upload a file. We're going to choose to upload a file. And you upload a color image of the entire document, JPEG or PNG formats only, no PDFs. Click confirm. Here you can drop an image of your face and click confirm. Now it's checking the quality for the ID verification. This can take up to 5 minutes. Do not close your browser. And if your ID has been verified, you arrive to your ByCoi wallet. Here you have your address and your private key. Those are the two important things to download. You can click here to copy the code and put it in a document. You can click here to download your address. The private key will be showing only one time. You can copy it, obviously, and you will need this private key to send any ByCoi from your wallet in the future. If you lose your private key, you will never be able to redeem it. So please copy it and download it. You also have to click above here and verify that you have saved your private key. To convert old coins to ByCoi, simply click Free BIC, add the email and the username that you have on this account and click Free BIC. Once you have done this, an email will be sent to your email address. You need to click the link in that email to synchronize the coins. Thank you for watching.